Hi, folks, and the LinkedIn users and all my fans, social fans. Today we are going to discuss on how to manage your 24 hours of your life. Uh, Many people will put their more effort in office, like they do, they will stay more time in the office and they will do more work, and we call them as workaholics. So they are putting more effort on the office, and in the same way, some people will try to learn new things. I think they will. Very few people will try to learn new things by joining a course or taking a certification, anything. So they're utilizing their 24 hours in a day or night. Okay, let's see. I have designed these 5 hours, 5 life hours. Just I want to share with you. Here we go. See, suppose if you take 24 hours, we have we are spending almost, like in an ideal case, we are spending 9 hours for office work, and 8 hours for sleeping, because like that is a minimum requirement of any individual on this planet, to sleep at least 8 hours. So what we have finally left, we have only 7 hours, out of which if you take 2 hours for mundane task, like suppose you want to brush your teeth, you need to get ready, or you need to take your lunch, dinner, anything. So let's take 2 hours out of it, 7 hours. So what we have left now, we have only 5 hours. So you need to uh, do anything. Like if you want to go for a job interview, so you need to prepare for it. So you need to do only within these 5 hours. And if you are um, looking for an bodybuilding, so you need to do it in 5 hours. So you in an ideal case, or these 5 hours will be left for any person. That is why, I mean, why I call it as life hours. So first I want to tell about it, because these 5 hours will decide your life. Because if you are trying for a job, you will land on a good job and your career will be boost, or your career will be good. If you are trying for a bodybuilding, then you are putting more effort on your personal, on your health and fitness. So that is why, for any person, these 5 hours will affect. That is why will affect their life. That is why I call it as this as 5 life hours. I know it is an ideal case, but here we go. I just got this 1 to 2 approach, how to spend these 5 life hours. Suppose every morning I the first hour I will take it for my um, health or fitness. So I will spend 1 hour for the health and fitness, and remaining 4 hours, out of 4 hours I will put 2 hours for the learning. So I'm trying to learn something, because I have my blog. I learned the digital marketing course, and whatever maybe, I just want to spend at least 2 hours for learning something, and 2 hours for the relationships. uh, so I have two daughters, so I need to take care of them, and I need to do my parenting, good parenting. So this is why I just put my 2 hours for the relationships. For any individual, these 5 hours are very important. Suppose you need to concentrate on your health and fitness. At least it, I am spending for 1 hour. Maybe you can spend it only for half an hour, but at least you should try some health and fitness uh, on for yourself. And the learning, this is the best, and this is what decide your future. I want to learn different things. So uh, I'm attracted to helping others. So I'm learning on, I'm spending something on 2 hours for learning. And also the relationships are more important for humans. So I need to take you need to take care of your parents, or your wife, your children. So this is my 1 to 2 approach. So it may be different for you, but these are the basic for any individual where they need to take care at least. If you want to learn, if you want to add something and you want to cut it, your learning hours, you can do it. But I suggest this is a 1 to 2 approach where you need to spend your life hours. So that is what I want to uh, tell to you and share with you. So I hope you will start how to manage your life hours, 5 life hours. Thank you for listening.